guys, and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I am sharing with you 2 recipes from a cookbook. I typically get all my recipes, new recipes from Pinterest, but I have a couple cookbooks on hand that I have kept just to, you know, spice up the eating a little bit. So my main dish is going to come from Yum and Yummer, which is a Weight Watchers cookbook. And the salad's gonna come from Fixate Volume 2. As you can see, they're both will be on a healthier side. It's just the way it is. The recipes that I'm working with, well, it's not meat, it's fish. I will be making fish, so I wanted a different recipe. I'm not very good at making a lot of different types of fish, usually just battered fish, lightly battered fish, but I thought I try something new. I will still be making battered fish for my kids because I don't think they'll go for this recipe. They will try it, but I don't think that they will go for it. So the dish that I will be making is a 15-minute Mediterranean fish with feta bruschetta topping. And here are the ingredients. I will have it all typed out for you so that way, or yeah, I think I will type it out for you so that way you can reference to this recipe in the description box. But here is what you need for the main dish. You will need some 4 fish fillets, such as cod or haddock. I have haddock. Then you need sea salt and black pepper. You will need some olive oil. Then you will need freshly squeezed lemon juice, some grape or Roma tomatoes. I am using cocktail tomatoes because it was the only thing that I had. We ate grape tomatoes before I had a chance to make the recipe. And then you're gonna need some red onion, garlic, balsamic vinegar, and some basil. And then to top it off, you're gonna use some feta. So I already washed my fish, and now I'm going to get started in preparing the fish first. So I have added salt and black pepper to the fish, and now I'm preheating my oil in my cast iron pan. They ask about 10 inches. I think this is about 10 inches. So I'm going to cook my fish for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it using my handy tool because it needs to be, I need some water softener salt for it. But anyways, and then I'm going to flip it for 2 more minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to get all my veggies prepped. I would also like to mention that this video is part of a very big collab, and the playlist will be linked down below, that is hosted by Tamara from Southern Wife Everyday Life, and I will have her channel linked in the description box as well. So when you are finished watching my video, make sure you head on over into the description box to get even more ideas, cookbook ideas. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So my veggies are prepped. I just have to press the garlic through the press, and then I have my onions and my tomatoes. And I just want to ask you guys, do you guys ever have an audience while you're cooking? They're always near me in the kitchen. 1-year-old, almost 3-month-old. So the fish is just about done, and I'm going to transfer it to my plate and add some lemon juice over it. So I have cleaned my pan the best that I could, and then I'm adding my onions first, and I turned it down fairly low because because the cast iron is very hot. I'm going to let this cook for just for like half a minute before I add my garlic. So I added my garlic and I'm going to cook it for about a minute or so. Just until the onion is softened. So I have added the tomatoes. I am going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar and I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes. So the tomatoes are done. I'm going to scoop them up and put them over the fish. For my next recipe, I am going to be making a salad from Fixate Volume 2, and I'm doing the Mediterranean salad, but I will not be putting any tomatoes. I will just use cucumber, pepper, and red onion. So I'm going to cut up all my veggies, and then you also need lemon juice, salt and pepper, olive oil, and black pepper, and also feta. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Sonja and you're watching my cooking channel. I also have 2 other channels which will be linked down in the description box. And I would love it if you considered subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. I share tons of home cooked recipes from pretty much all around the world. So I'm sure there's going to be something here that you will enjoy. And here's the salad, and I'm just waiting for the fish to finish. I'll show you what that looks like. Here it is. I have added some basil and sprinkled with some feta, and I think it looks so pretty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you check out the playlist linked down in the description box for all your cookbook cooking inspirations and recipe inspirations. And if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you consider pressing the subscribe button for more recipes like this. And make sure the notification bell is on as well. Until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching.